In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to password protect your files on macOS. Mac doesn't have a direct feature to set a password for just any single document. However, we can use a few different workarounds to get this done. The first method requires a little bit of technical knowledge, but it's really not too hard for the average user. First, go to the folder containing the file you want to protect. Next, right-click on that folder down in the path bar and select Open in Terminal. If you don't see this path bar, go up to the View menu and click Show Path Bar. This opens the terminal app right at the folder's location, which is super handy if you're not used to typing the cd command in terminal. Once the terminal window pops up, type the command zip, hit space, and type -ER to add the password protection feature for the compressed file. Next, type the name you want for your new zip file, making sure to include the .zip extension. Finally, type the exact name of the file you want to password protect. Then press return. Terminal will ask you to enter a password for the zip file. Type it in, press return, enter the password one more time to confirm, and press return again. And just like that, you've got a password-protected zip file. Anyone trying to unzip it will have to enter this exact password. The second method is creating a virtual drive to hold the data you want to protect. To do this, we'll use a built-in macOS app called Disk Utility. Open up this app, go to the File menu, select New Image, and then Blank Image. Next, give your drive a name ending in .dmg and pick a place to save it. Down below in the encryption section, choose 256-bit. Up top under the size option, you can adjust the drive's capacity. For example, I'll set it to 500 megabytes. Leave the rest of the options as they are, then hit save. A window will pop up asking you to enter a password. Once you do, hit OK. After your Mac finishes creating it, a drive will show up in the Finder sidebar. If you forgot to name the drive in the previous step, you can right-click and choose Rename. Now, you just need to copy the files and folders you want to protect into this drive. Once that's done, click the eject icon to unmount and lock it. Next time you want to access it, just locate the saved .dmg file and double-click it. The drive will mount and ask for the password. Strangers without the password won't be able to get in. When you no longer need it and want to delete it, just find that .dmg file and select Move to Trash. The third method uses a third-party app. In this video, I'm introducing a free app by MacPaw called Encrypto. Open up the App Store, type Encrypto in the search bar, find the app, click Get to download it, and verify with Touch ID or your password. When you open the app, you can hit Next or skip through the intro. To use it, just drag and drop the file you want to protect into the app window. Enter your password, then hit Encrypt. Wait a little bit, then click Save As, choose a save location, and hit Save. The app will create a file with a .crypto extension. To open it, double-click the file. Encrypto will pop up and ask for the password. Enter the correct password, and pick a location to extract the file. This app works similarly to the first method of zipping a file, but with a different encryption algorithm and a much friendlier interface. So, in this video, I've shared 3 ways you can protect your files on macOS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.